Here's another in-depth appliance repair video from Sheen Appliance Repair and Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to put a door switch on a Whirlpool dryer. Tools you'll need: straight screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, a 5/16 and 1/4 inch nut driver, and your pair of pliers, your basic tools. Alright, now that we have our dryer unplugged, we need to take the top up. First we take the lint tray out, and if you look down there'll be 2 screws holding the top on. You need to take your Phillips head screwdriver and take those screws out. Once we have our screws out, we need to take our straight screwdriver, and in this crease right here, we need to put that straight screwdriver in and pry up. When you put it in there, you'll feel for some supports. When you find the support, push in and lift up. You'll do that on the right side, and you'll do that on the left side. You'll find another one over there. Once we have our top pried up, we can go ahead and lift it up. Once you have your top up, take your straight screwdriver and pry open the wire harness. Then go to the front of your dryer. On the right side, go to the other side of your door switch and take out the 2 screws that are going up. Take your old switch out and put your new one in, and let it rest there. Then put both your screws back in. You'll have to use 2 hands to do this. Once you get it securely mounted, then you'll hook up your wire harness. Your 2 supports here, go ahead and put your top down on top of that. Smack it gently on top. Make sure it's secure. Then you're going to take your Phillips head screwdriver and you're going to put your screws back in where the lint filter is. After that, you're going to put your lint filter back in the dryer. Now you're ready to plug it up and see if it works.